In this video, we will show how to deploy and serve custom inference pipelines for production AI. These can be any Python code such as pre or post-processing code or any other esoteric framework that's not one of the common frameworks that you would normally come across. Custom inference code also helps bring a great deal of flexibility to your production AI operations, as we'll see. Now in this example, we will show custom inference pipelines using an XGBoost framework with the house price model. Now I've already ran the XGBoost model here. It's uploaded just to save us some time. And what we'll do is we're going to wrap that XGB model with some Python code and add some post-processing logic on top. Now when we look in the main.py file, we will see that there's a number of artifacts and code here that we've applied to this. And essentially this is our custom Python code. So we have some imports, we have inference, and we have inference builder. Now for the inference code, we are running some post-processing code on this. We will call the predict function under the hood for this real estate example, and we will cap the value of the output at 150k. Once we have this, we zip this up as our custom inference pipeline. And we can see here, once we upload that, we have our custom framework. And again, I've pre-ran this to save some time. Now we're ready to go into our deployment config. We can see here that we have the flexibility to add the resources that we want to deploy this to. In this case, I'm deploying to 0.25 of CPUs and 1 gig of memory. We can also see now that we are deployed to production. And so the next step is to test this. So what we want to do is we want to validate this and run a sample data point through this. Then we'll run our inference, and we can see that our output has processed that post-processing code and capped the output value at 150k. And now from this, we did everything in Python where needed. We didn't need to create a Docker file or worry about any other dependencies. Now with this, our models can be automatically converted, deployed to production, freeing up the data scientists such as yourselves or ML engineers to focus on other important tasks. Thank you very much.